Imagine a world where huge airplanes like the Boeing 747 could take off using a giant catapult instead of engines. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? Today we're exploring the idea of commercial catapult systems, why they're hard to build, why they're expensive, and how many Tesla semis it would take to launch a 747. Let's get started. First, let's talk about why building a commercial catapult system is so challenging. Catapult systems on aircraft carriers launch fighter jets, not big commercial planes. A Boeing 747 weighs about 400,000 pounds and needs to reach 180 miles per hour to take off. You'd need a catapult system that's huge, precise, reliable, and safe. To achieve that, you'd need a lot of force in a very short time. The engineering challenges are mind-boggling. You'd have to consider the stress on the aircraft, the energy needed, and the infrastructure to support it. And don't forget, weather, runway length, and safety protocols add more complexity. Now let's talk about the economics. Building a catapult system for commercial planes would cost billions. You'd need special materials, advanced tech, and a massive overhaul at every major airport. And for what? To save a bit of fuel during takeoff? It just doesn't add up. Plus, airlines and airports are already optimized for traditional takeoff methods. Retrofitting everything for catapults would be a logistical nightmare. And let's be honest, airplanes are already pretty efficient at taking off the old-fashioned way. So, unless we're talking about a radical shift in aviation technology, catapult systems just aren't worth the investment. Okay, let's have some fun with this. If we were to use Tesla semis to generate the force needed to launch a 747, how many would it take? A Tesla semi has a peak torque of around 1,000 lb/fi and can tow up to 80,000 pounds. But remember, a 747 weighs 400,000 pounds and needs to reach 180 miles per hour. Let's do the math. If each Tesla semi can contribute about 10,000 pounds of force, you'd need at least 40 Tesla semis just to match the weight of the 747. But to achieve the necessary acceleration for takeoff, you're looking at hundreds of Tesla semis working in perfect unison. And even then, coordinating that many vehicles would be practically impossible. So, while the idea of a commercial catapult system is undeniably cool, the reality is that it's just not feasible, at least not with today's technology. The engineering challenges are too great, the costs are too high, and let's face it, we've got better ways to spend our time and money. But hey, it's fun to imagine, right? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more futuristic tech content, and let me know in the comments. What's the craziest aviation idea you've ever heard of? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.